Good morning students. Welcome back to the computer class. Beta, in the previous video we have done the topic what are programming languages and in how many types it should be divided and what are the uses of these languages and introduction about the small basic. Now today we are going to discuss about the programming of small basic, in which we read how to save a program, how to open a program, and how to share our program with the others. So now today we are going to discuss about the programming of small basic. Programming with small basic. Let us start with the simple program in small basic. But before we start with the program, we can follow some steps which are given in your book. See beta. Your first step is whenever you start your small basic program, click on the start button. Then click on all the apps. See in this window, this is your, आप जब विंडो ओपन करते हो इट मीन्स दिस इज योर स्टार्ट बटन. ठीक है, this is your start button. After that click on all apps and in the third step click on small basic. See, click on small basic folder, then Microsoft small basic is there. जब आप small basic folder पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपका Microsoft small basic सब फोल्डर खुलेगा and the small window opens up. See, whenever you click on the Microsoft small basic, a small window will be open in which you have to write your program. Now that we have learned to open the small basic, let us start with the simple program to display hello world. Yes, to do so click inside the editor window. जब आप editor window पे click करोगे and write some text here, text window dot, this is your pattern or we can also say that the syntax is given in your book जो आपको follow करना है to write a program. Once you start the typing, you will receive the hints and other useful informations in the form of tooltips and explanation in the help area. These tooltips areas are known as IntelliSense. Okay, which is called IntelliSense, जो आपको बार बार हेल्प करते हैं, आपको अपने आप से बताते हैं कि आपको क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलनी चाहिए अप्रोप्रिएट या आपको क्या वर्क परफॉर्म करना है. It contains the commands that you need to write your code. You will also notice that a program start input at line number 1. If you press the enter button, the cursor goes to the line 2. See, this is your editor window. Okay. Now the other is program execution in small basic. Yes, in the small basic, how could you execute your program? Executing a program is similar to the open a program on the computer. To execute the program in small basic, we have follow some steps. See, the step number 1, click on the run icon from the toolbar. आपको वहाँ विंडो में टूल बार दिया होगा, वहाँ पे एक रन आइकन बना हुआ होगा. You have to click on that icon. Then in the step number 2, execution window opens. This is your execution window. We can also say that this is your output window and displays the result as shown. You can simply press the F5 button also to execute your program. Okay. While the execution of your program takes place, you will not be able to access the editor window. अगर आपने एक बार execution के लिए वहाँ पर F5 प्रेस किया या आप execute कर रहे हो अपने प्रोग्राम को, you will not be able to access the editor window. On that type आप editor window पे कोई भी work perform नहीं कर सकते हो. But there are some rules are given to write the small basic program. The number 1 is the spelling must be correct unless they are written inside the inverted quotes. अगर आप inverted quotes में आप जब भी कोई कोड लिख रहे हो तो स्पेलिंग आपकी करेक्ट होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज द प्रोग्राम विल जनरेट द एरर, आपका प्रोग्राम एरर परफॉर्म करेगा. Second one is small basic is not a case sensitive language, which means the command text window and text window are same. Means the difference, anyone can else tell me the difference between those? I will tell you. सी बेटा, केस सेंसिटिव मीन्स अगर आप अल्फ़ाबेटिकली उनको कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखते हो या स्मॉल लेटर्स में लिखते हो, इट डजेंट मैटर, दे बोथ आर सेम. एंड द थर्ड वन इज स्मॉल बेसिक डज नॉट रीड द वाइट स्पेसिस. जो आप ब्लैंक स्पेसिस छोड़ते हो वो उन्हें रीड नहीं करता है, इट इग्नोर्स दैम, बट इट इज़ एडविजिबल to use them as it makes the code easy to read. लेकिन अगर आप वाइट स्पेसेस वहाँ पर क्रिएट करते हो तो वो आपको कोड को रीड करने के लिए बहुत ईजीनेस होती है. If you want to explain a certain part of the code as a comment, if you want to explain, अगर आपको explain करना चाहते हो अपने प्रोग्राम के या कोड के किसी भी एक पार्ट को as a comment, you need to start it with an apostrophe. Okay? अगर आपको कोई comment डालना है, you have to use the apostrophe. See बेटा, in this your program, in this window, a small window will be appearing in front of you. In this, जो भी आप अपना प्रोग्राम लिखते हो वो आपके एडिटर विंडो पे शो होता है. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू एक्सप्लेन अ सर्टेन पार्ट ऑफ द कोड एज अ कमेंट, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट विद द एपोस्ट्रॉफी. एंड डिक्लेयरिंग अ वेरिएबल, जो आप वेरिएबल्स डिक्लेयर करोगे इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी एंड यू कैन यूज़ अ वेरिएबल विदाउट डिक्लेयरिंग इट. आप बिना किसी वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर करे उसे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. Other one is how to save a program. After you have to return your program, you can save it for the future use. So for the saving, you have to click on the save button from the toolbar, and the save as dialog box will appear. See, the dialog box will be appear, and write the name of the file which you want to save, and after that choose the location where you want to save it your file, and in the last click on the save button. How to open a program. To open the program in a small basic, we have to follow some steps. Click on the open button from the toolbar, and the open dialog box will be appear. The second step is select the desired file, and in the last click on the open button. Better see in this window. If you want to open any file, you have to choose it from the open. You first click on the open button, and after that you have to choose the desired file, and in the last you have to click on open button. Your file will be open. Now in the last, how to share a program. The Small Basic provides the wonderful feature that allows you to share your program with the others. This can be very helpful in many ways. For example, whenever you need to check whether the program is written by someone is correct, or you might need to instruct someone how to perform the task, there are some steps are given. Step number 1, click on the publish icon from the toolbar in the web group. A dialog box will be appear that states that the program has been published on the web. एक dialog box appear होगा जो आपको क्या बताएगा कि आपका प्रोग्राम पब्लिश होने जा रहा है वेब पर. एंड इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड्स यू एन ID. वो आपको एक ID प्रोवाइड करेगा एंड अ लिंक टू एक्सेस द प्रोग्राम ऑन द इंटरनेट, जिसके थ्रू आप इंटरनेट पे अपने प्रोग्राम को एक्सेस कर सकते हो. इन द स्टेप नंबर 2, once your program is published, once your program is published, you can either share the ID number. For example, this one is the ID, or the link to the people with whom you want to share your program. जिसके साथ आप अपना प्रोग्राम शेयर कर रहे हो उससे आपको अपनी ID और लिंक भी प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Now in the last step, how to view or run the published program. There are some steps are given. The step number 1, click on the import button. Yes, अगर आप किसी प्रोग्राम को डाउनलोड करना चाहते हो, रन करना चाहते हो, you have to click on the import. The meaning of import is आप उस फाइल को डाउनलोड कर रहे हो. बटन इन द वेब ग्रुप ऑन द टूल बार, अ डायलॉग बॉक्स विल बी अपीयर. सी, टाइप द प्रोग्राम ID. यू हैव टू टाइप द प्रोग्राम ID, जो आपको प्रोग्राम ID उस प्रोग्राम के साथ दी गई होगी, एंड द लिंक, एंड क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन. द कोड विल बी लोडेड इन टू योर एडिटर. ओके, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द लिंक. जब आप उस लिंक पर क्लिक करोगे जो आपको प्रोवाइड किया गया है, आप तभी अपने प्रोग्राम को देख सकते हो ब्राउज़र पर. ओके.